In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add sections to Shopify pages. First, open your browser and head to shopify.com. Click Login at the top right, then sign in with your store credentials or one of the available single sign-on options. If you manage more than one store, make sure you select the correct storefront once you're in. This will take you to the Shopify admin, where we'll make all our changes. On the left side of the admin, click Online Store. You'll land on the Themes area, which shows your current theme at the top. Next to your live theme, click Edit Theme to open the theme editor. Depending on your theme, this may appear as Customize. Either option opens the visual editor where we'll add and arrange sections. If your theme looks different or you don't see the options I'm describing, you may be using an older theme. Most modern online store 2.0 themes fully support sections on pages. Inside the theme editor, look to the left sidebar. This panel lists all the sections currently on the page you're editing. At the bottom of that list, click Add Section. A menu will appear with all the available section types in your theme, things like image banners, rich text, featured collections, galleries, and more. Choose the section that best fits what you want to add. If you're unsure, preview a few options. You can always remove one if it's not quite right. After adding your section, customize it. Select the section in the sidebar to adjust its content, layout, and settings. Replace placeholder text with your own headings and copy, upload images, link buttons to the right destinations, and tweak spacing, colors, and alignment to match your brand. At the top of the editor, use the device preview toggles to check how the section looks on desktop and mobile, and switch the page or template if you need to add the section to a specific page rather than your home page. If the new section isn't in the perfect spot, just drag and drop it in the left sidebar to reorder. You can move sections up or down until the flow of your page feels natural. Think about the story you're telling. Lead with a clear headline, follow with visuals or features, and end with a strong call to action. When you're happy with how everything looks, click Save in the top right. Give the page a quick refresh in a new tab to confirm the changes are live. That's it. Log in, open your theme, add a section, customize it, rearrange as needed, and save your work.